Hi, welcome back to Craig's IT Solutions. Today this is for part 2 from part 1 where I showed you showing the Chromecast Ultra HD. It's all set up now. Now I'm going to run through the Welcome Google Home Setup app, and I will show you briefly. Now the app you will need to download from the Google Home Store obviously will be the Play Store. From there, as you can see, and then you'll have to download the Google Home app as it says on the TV. Now I've already got it installed. I'll just show you quickly. Google Home, and see, I've already got it installed, as you can see at the top there. It's very good, and then maybe back to front. But yeah, that's what you need. So I'll just get started through this. Obviously you're gonna have to have an account with Google to do all this, but I'm assuming some of you have. Now this is one device found on my Chromecast Ultra. So I'll continue through the setup. And it says Chromecast Ultra found on your phone. So that it connects, it'll drop your Wi-Fi off your phone slightly until it can connect through the setup. And obviously it will give you a code at the bottom to confirm with your phone as well. And you confirm that with the same, then you can pick through the setup where is this device. You could pick, basically it gives you preset ones like back garden, bedroom, bathroom, cellar, dining room. It depends where you're actually putting it to. So I'm putting it in my living room. You click next, and then you connect to Wi-Fi. Now it says connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure you pick yours on your Wi-Fi. It'll be probably the strongest one, on the top of the list. So we'll get it connecting, and on your TV, as you can see now, it's connecting to my network. And then obviously, because brand new from the box, it will update the Chromecast Ultra. Then, because obviously on your phone you can just go through the setup quickly, and then it's just updating, and then it'll reboot after applying the update. Your phone will do the same. This will generally takes about 3 to 4 minutes, but then now it's gone off. We're starting. And then I could show you some cool ones eventually. So that is it for the setup. I think it's just updating, and obviously, like I mentioned, with the Ultra's 4K HDR, which gives better perspective for your picture, etc., giving you better graphics on your TV. And HDR, which stands for high dynamic range, which just gives more depth of your colour, such as when you get playing on the Xbox, it gives you more colours, basically more breadth of the game. So you think you're in the game itself. There we go. It's just setting it up now. I'll connect to my network. And eventually it's ready to cast. And on your phone it takes a long time, depending on what kind of phone you've got.